are the Earth and Elle vegan collagen gummies with biotin and folate. They're completely vegan and they taste delicious. They have a natural citrusy flavor, leaning more towards orange, but they're a bit tangy. They have kind of no weird aftertaste and they don't have any chemical taste at all. They just taste like natural yummy gummies. And actually gummies are my favorite candy. And since I've cut out all of the processed foods and all of the junk foods, these are kind of a bit of a treat for me. There's nothing in them that I wouldn't put in my body. I'd like to thank Earth and Elle for sending these to me for review and to feature them live on Amazon. I really appreciate it. Collagen has been proven to nourish your skin, keep your bones strong, get your hair and nails stronger, rebuild damaged skin, and even reduce joint pain. They also reduce brittle nails and can be highly beneficial for your connective tissues. Just take 2 a day, easy peasy, and they are delicious and they look like little heart shapes. Aren't they cute?